Hello, this is Gordon Fox with Fox Inspection Group, Thermal Imaging Division. What we're going to go over is a sample report of an inspection we did for a roofing contractor who was hired by an engineering firm, which in turn was hired by an insurance company to determine the extent or amount of damage on a roof system. So basically, the building owner came in after Hurricane Ike and claimed some roof damage, and we're out there to confirm or deny the presence of damage and the extent of the damage. So what we do is we go up on the roof near the evening time when the thermal performance is ideal for our thermal cameras. We will then look for anomalies on the roof surface that would indicate water or moisture entrained in the insulation board below. The photograph to your left is basically what we see up on the roof. This is a TPO system, a white membrane, and we marked this directly on the roof because what we saw, the thermal imaging camera picture to the right, is this picture over here, which would indicate moisture below. Scrolling down the report, here's another area, and we'll mark these directly on the roof. Again, your left picture is the thermal anomaly that we see on the roof system, and this is the thermal anomaly on the right side photograph of what we're looking at here with our thermal cameras. Okay. Here would be another area. Let's see if I can get this a little bit better. Coming to your picture screen. There we go. This would be number 3. This would be along a seam area. Left picture would be a seam. And the right picture would be the thermal imaging of what we're seeing thermally. There is some discrepancy right there. The little dots you're seeing are just the thermal signature of the adhesive, the nail pattern, the fasteners. Okay. Here we have on number 4, and again, these are marked directly on the roof. Thermal imaging off to the right. You can see right over in here the thermal image pattern. But this circle right here, as we go down, basically showed upon close inspection, we were able to find a, a puncture wound in the TPO membrane. And again, here would be, and we number these. On 5, here's the thermal imaging that shows up on the right-hand side. Now, this picture here, we're going to show what the tool that we're using for confirmation. This would be a Tramex moisture meter, non-impedance capacitance, or a capacitance non-impedance meter, whatever they call it. And here on the right-hand side, we'll look at the areas of anomaly. And over here on the right-hand picture will be a thermal image of this machine. Basically what it does is we're able to place this on top of a thermal anomaly to confirm, a double opt-in confirm. We're seeing it with the thermal camera, and then we confirm presence with a with the impedance capacitance meter. This is what it looks like up close. And here we're seeing on the right-hand picture that we're pegging our meter. That would indicate that's moisture, high moisture below. Then the roof consultant, the roofer, can then do, if they so desire, a core sample. They can cut into this membrane system and then confirm our findings so that they can have confidence in our abilities to identify areas of water penetration, areas of wet insulation board below the roof membrane, and then they can base their roof takeoff, their material takeoff, on the painted areas that we see directly on the roof. Here on number 7, we've got a thermal image, pretty good size. And also you can see the paint marks that show up on this thermal imaging. Again, number 8, we had a large area amorphous pattern. Again, what number is this? Number 9, picture number 9. Here is our capacitance meter. And here is the meter going off, pegging off at 100 plus. Now we're able to see, here's number 10. If you look to the picture on your right, you can see a large amorphous shape, And so what we're able to do is identify that, and the roof system looks good from the top, but we're able to see the thermal signature at the roof surface, which would indicate high moisture content. And again, same thing, we're taking pictures of what we're looking at, identifying it on the roof. We're putting numbers to it, so material takeoff for your roof contractors makes it nice, simple, and easy. And again, we'll identify the areas. We back it up with a double opt-in with the capacitance meter, the Tramex. Number 13 anomaly to your left, identified on the roof, and here's your thermal anomaly on the right-hand side picture. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 713-723-3330. Again, area code 713-723-3330. Thank you much.